What are TikTok Shop free samples? TikTok Shop free samples are promotional products that sellers offer to creators or potential customers to generate buzz, reviews, and authentic content around their brand. These samples allow influencers to test and showcase products in videos, helping sellers gain organic exposure and social proof. The free sample feature is a powerful marketing tool designed to boost engagement and drive sales through genuine product demonstrations. Sellers can send free samples to selected TikTok creators through the TikTok Shop sample program. Once creators receive the product, they can post reviews, unboxings, or tutorials that highlight its features. This strategy encourages trust and increases conversion rates since customers are more likely to buy products they see being used and endorsed by real people. Many successful TikTok Shop sellers combine this program with analytics tools like Helium 10 to track how sample campaigns affect sales and engagement. By measuring which samples generate the highest ROI, sellers can refine their influencer collaborations and focus on the products with the most potential. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to marketing analytics tools that help you track, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop free sample campaigns with confidence and precision.